Welcome to Tuesday or Module 2. This is a short recording to walk you through the requirements for this module. Remember, along the left-hand side, the tabs are located to find different areas within Canvas. Click on Modules, scroll down to Module 2. Click on Overview. For Module 2, or Tuesday, you're going to be creating your lesson plan. Click the Next button. Read through the different information within this module. Remember, if it's a PDF, you can click on this button, the magnifying glass, and it will expand the selection so that you can read the information right inside this document. This document is for you to review if you'd like some additional reading, as I pulled the chart above it from within this document. Page down, and you'll find additional information and then the gradual release of responsibility instructional framework. Click the Next button. There are 2 videos for you to watch: a review of the gradual release of responsibility, and then Every Kid Needs a Champion. Click the Next button. You're now going to be working on your lesson plan for this module. Remember, as I said, on Monday, this lesson plan is to be designed originally in a face-to-face environment. So that means develop your lesson as if you were teaching within your classroom in your brick-and-mortar building. Throughout the week, we'll take portions of this lesson plan and transfer it to an online environment. You can type right within the Word document and then copy or highlight your document, right-click and click Copy, and then within the section, you can hit Submit and simply right-click again and click Paste. That's going to paste your lesson plan right into the assignment, and then you can click Submit. This will then submit your assignment. When you click the Next button, it will take you on to Module 3, which will be Wednesday's work, so you do not need to go any further. When you finish that work, you may want to go back to the discussion board and make sure that you have responded to the 3 discussion board posts for this week. Have a wonderful Tuesday. Please don't hesitate to email me if you have any questions. If you feel like you need time to meet one-on-one, I'd be happy to schedule time with you as well. Thank you.